how to add a coming soon page to your Squarespace website. So for this, right here, I'm on the dashboard and I've simply clicked on website, which has taken me to this page. So from the left hand side, we want to choose website. And then first we have to create the coming soon page itself. So I'm going to click on add page here and I will select blank page. Now I'm going to click on the blank page itself, which will take me to this. And here we want to select edit and we will add a section and add a blank section here. Then choose add block and we will use text to write coming soon. Now you can adjust this to your liking. You can make it bold, you can make it bigger, and you can change the font as well. But basically, after we have created this, then what I'm going to do is go back, I'm going to save this, and I'm going to exit. I'll rename this page to coming soon. And the most important part here is actually hovering over your coming soon page and then clicking on this sun icon. And if we scroll all the way down, you will see this option to set as a home page. So now if people enter our Squarespace website, they will first see our coming soon page. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.